How to fix no sound problem in Windows 10 or 11. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on fixing your no sound problem in your Windows 10 or your Windows 11. So every steps matter, do not skip any. So let me guide you on resolving the sound issue in Windows 10 or 11. So first of all, you have to begin by clicking on the search icon in the bottom, then type in Control Panel and select it. Change the View section to Large Sections if you want, then scroll down and choose Sound. If multiple devices are connected, select the device for the settings adjustment. To fix the sound problem, right-click on the audio device and disable and then enable it. Proceed to the Properties and then select the Levels tab. Ensure that the icon appears correctly. Move to the Enhancement tab. Disable all the enhancements and click on Apply, then OK, and close all the windows successively. So that's all. Your problem should be resolved. This is how you can fix your no sound problem in Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.